Eating the frog. I've entitled this Doing What You Dislike for Your Own Benefit. Here's what I mean when I say eat the frog. I am thinking of a specific author, and that is Mark Twain. And he wrote, if it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. So what does he mean by this? Well, he's referring to getting the most difficult tasks done that is going to have a large payoff is important. Getting it done and not letting procrastination take over. And this is why it's so important. It's important because procrastination is an emotional problem, largely. And so when we procrastinate, there's often stress behind the reason, or there's some negative emotion that we are avoiding. Maybe it's the idea of starting work and getting into that fast-paced part of the week again, or maybe it is something that a conversation you don't want to have with someone. So there's some sort of social avoidance there. And when we face these emotional problems head on and we decide to take a determined stance toward the problem where we will deal with it, we will face the ramifications, and we will overcome the challenge, and we will do it early, it has a major benefit for us. And that is that we get these important tasks done that might be difficult, whether that's working out or making a call or fixing something at work. Here I was going to write fixing a work-related issue or a business-related issue. It might be doing homework if you're in grade school or if you're a university student, or it might be studying. So these are some common frogs for people. Well, why should we do it first, as Mark Twain says? Well, first of all, these are important, and we're avoiding them not because they're unimportant, but rather because they are negative in some sense. And what happens is that frog stays in the back of your mind. That problem is still there. You haven't dealt with it. It's nagging on you to complete it. It kills your energy. It takes up mental space, and it likely may not get done, even though if you may have good intentions to complete it within the day or within the week or month or whatever it might be. And so that's why tackling these problems head on is so important. Well, I want to say one other thing, and that is sometimes looking for something that you don't have to do, that might even be a little painful, that might be very difficult, and doing that each day and committing to it can be a tremendous way to build confidence in yourself, and can be a tremendous way to get into this habit of facing something straight on that might be very important, but might not be something you want to do. For me, it's working out every morning. So I wake up, I'm groggy, I turn my YouTube clip on of the workout routine, and I get started. And most of the time, I do not want to get started, right? That's my frog. For some people, it's maybe taking a cold shower or jumping in a cold bath, a cold pool, whatever it might be. Or for some people, it's getting to work right away and dealing with the highest priority item. Whatever it is for you, I want to encourage you to eat a frog. Maybe you do it each day, and that will definitely build confidence in you and build the habit of getting rid of habits of procrastination, for instance. Well, I'm Dustin the Tutor, and consider liking this video if you found it helpful, and subscribing if you like videos like this. I provide videos on writing strategies and also mindset, and I do that every week. I also lead a group of English tutors at goodenglishtutors.com, and I'm confident in the people that are working with students right now. They've been able to really help many students achieve their goals. So if you're looking for help in writing, or maybe you're looking for help in ESL, check out the link below, and we can discuss your goals and see if it's the right fit for you. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you next time. Take care.